The news from the center is that Pakistan have lost the match. Another important contest, another game of cricket, another chance. Very, very important match that Pakistan have lost against India. Pakistan was considered to be a good and balanced side, but they did not have a proper game plan. They did not have a proper strategy. They were really frustrated, and I really don't have words to explain how much depressed the nation is, because we all expect that they must play good game of cricket, they must fight. This match should not be one-sided, but Pakistani's players have a potential that even if they have a good and balanced position in the match, they will always find a way to provide opportunities to the opponent, and the opponent team wins the match. And this match was particularly lost when Sarfaraz won the toss and elected to bowl first, when Prime Minister Imran Khan told them by tweeting that the team must bat first, because we know that if we have runs on the board, then the bowlers are in a better position to defend the total. We have a bowling side that can defend a good total, but you know that when India does not have a target in mind, they will play freely. And when you are bowling against world class player Rohit Sharma and you are giving him chances of run out and you are missing his catches, so obviously he can be brutal, and he showed his class today. Similarly Virat Kohli. And anyhow, I don't want to linger on with the talk. I am also feeling very sleepy. So the only thing that Pakistani players are best at is they are best at playing with the emotions of billions and millions of fans out there. They do not know how to play cricket. Anyhow, I will be signing off. I am feeling sleepy and I will be signing off. So until next time, peace. One last thing I forgot to mention. The chief selector, Mr. Inzamamul Haq, is saying that Mohammad Hasnan is a surprise package, and we will test him. So this was the match in which he could have been given the chance. Everybody was saying. I think Mr. Inzamamul Haq have put a label on his forehead which says that please open him after the World Cup.